Your automatic car might be dying, and you don't even know it. Today, we're exposing 13 sneaky mistakes drivers make that silently destroy transmissions, and some of them can cost you $5,000 or more in repairs. Ever been cruising along and suddenly your car jerks, stalls, or just refuses to move? It always hits at the worst possible moment. But here's the truth. It's not bad luck. It's your daily driving habits quietly sabotaging your car. Trust me, knowing this could save you thousands and years off your car's life. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss the insider tips that could keep your car running like new. Ignoring the condition of transmission fluid. Transmission fluid might look like just a red liquid under the hood, but it's actually your transmission's lifeline. Ignore it, and your gears and clutches start grinding under heat and friction, slowly wearing out from the inside. Healthy fluid should sparkle bright red and smell clean. Dark or burnt-smelling fluid is your car begging for attention. Checking and replacing it every 30,000 to 60,000 kilometers isn't just maintenance. It's insurance against costly repairs and breakdowns. Treat your transmission right, and it'll reward you with smooth, worry-free performance for years. Skipping the parking brake on automatic cars. Many drivers think automatic cars don't need a parking brake. Wrong. Parking without it puts all the weight of your car on a tiny metal pin inside the transmission called the parking powell. On a slope, that pin can bend, crack, or even fail completely. Using the parking brake every time isn't just a suggestion, it's a safeguard. One simple click protects your transmission, keeps your car secure, and prevents expensive repairs that could have been avoided in seconds. Staying in drive on steep hills. Coasting downhill in drive may feel easy, but it puts intense strain on your transmission and brakes. The transmission does all the braking, overheating faster, while your brake pads wear out prematurely. The smarter choice? Shift into L or 2 and let engine braking do the work. Your brakes stay cooler, your transmission stays healthy, and you maintain full control on any slope. One small shift in technique can save you thousands in repairs and make every hill a safer, smoother ride. Fourth point, quickly switching from reverse to drive without pausing. One of the fastest ways to destroy your transmission is flipping between reverse and drive while your car is still rolling. Every abrupt shift sends shockwaves through clutches and gears, causing stress, premature wear, and costly breakdowns. Don't risk it. Come to a complete stop first. That tiny pause could save you thousands and extend your transmission's life by years. Number 5. Improperly warming up the vehicle. Idling for minutes to warm up your car? That's old-school thinking. Modern engines and transmissions actually reach their ideal temperature faster when you drive gently. Extended idling burns fuel and slowly eats away at your engine. The better approach: start the car, give it 30 seconds, then hit the road with smooth, controlled acceleration. Your engine and your wallet will be far happier. Number 6. At stops, switching to neutral. Some drivers shift into neutral at red lights thinking it saves fuel. In reality, it disrupts transmission fluid flow and causes extra wear when you shift back into drive. Modern cars are already fuel efficient at idle, so the safest move is to keep your car in drive. Your transmission will thank you with years of smoother, hassle-free driving. Number 7. Aggressive acceleration from a stop. Slamming the gas from a dead stop is a surefire way to stress your transmission. Your torque converter and clutches heat up, slip, and wear faster with every aggressive launch. The trick? Accelerate smoothly and steadily, especially in stop-and-go traffic. This tip is even more critical if you're towing. Gentle on the gas keeps your transmission healthy and prevents expensive repairs. 8th mistake: skipping a transmission cooler. When towing puts serious stress on automatic transmissions, generating intense heat. Without an auxiliary transmission cooler, your fluid can overheat in minutes, leading to catastrophic failure. If you're hauling heavy loads, always equip your car with the right towing gear and a gearbox cooler. A small investment now can save you a fortune later. Ninth mistake, running on low fuel. Running your car near empty isn't just risky for getting stranded, it can damage your transmission. Low fuel makes your fuel pump overheat, potentially allowing air into the system. This can affect engine performance and indirectly stress your transmission, especially if sensors aren't reading correctly. Keep at least a quarter tank to stay safe. 10th mistake, skipping transmission fluid changes. Transmission fluid might not get the same attention as engine oil, but it's just as crucial. Over time, debris builds up and fluid quality drops, causing slipping, overheating, and even total failure. If your car has a dipstick, check your fluid monthly. If not, schedule regular inspections with your mechanic. A simple fluid refresh could be the difference between smooth driving and a costly repair. 11th mistake, using the wrong tires. Mismatched tires or uneven tread depths disrupt power distribution, especially on AWD vehicles. This puts unnecessary stress on your transmission and differential systems, leading to wear and costly damage. Always replace tires in sets and follow your manufacturer's specifications. 12th mistake, ignoring warning signs. Don't ignore hesitation, delayed shifts, slippage, or unusual noises. These are early warnings that your transmission needs attention. Addressing a $200 sensor issue now can prevent a $5,000 rebuild later. If something feels off, scan for codes or consult a trusted mechanic immediately. 13th mistake, letting your car overheat. Automatic transmissions are highly sensitive to heat. Hot weather, stop-and-go traffic, or a failing cooling system can cause your transmission to overheat. Avoid running the AC excessively in extreme heat. Check your cooling system often, and keep your coolant topped up. If your temperature spikes, pull over immediately. These are the 13 foolish mistakes silently destroying automatic transmissions every day. Avoiding them will protect your car and save you thousands in repairs. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss life-saving driving advice. Comment below which mistake shocked you the most, or which one you've made yourself. Remember, it's better to stop the damage now than regret it later.